Hi, some viewers wanted a walkaround of this Wandel and Goltermann SF60 device. So we will have a detailed look at the controls. So here we have a main power switch with an orange indicator inside and standby LED. Here we have two buttons with a panel lock and local remote control of the device via IEC 625 bus, it seems. Here we have a numerical keyboard with clear, exp and enter keys. Printer here, so the thermal printer is now working after a little bit of tinkering with it, and I was able to print these strips of information. There is a memory card slot here for some extra programs, it seems. Controls for the printer here, print with auto LED and stop and paper feed. Here are the main start and stop buttons for the measuring process with timer LED. Scroll keys here with main menu access key. Thumb wheel here. So the display with brightness controls and function keys. Escape key here. By the way, this bracket around the display is die-cast aluminum. So it seems this device has two one emitter part and one receiver part. So here is the receiver part with serial number here, the signal ground and two banana jacks for a pair of copper wires, it seems, to connect copper wires. Here main signal input via BNC, and here clock input. On this side, so this is unpopulated, it is the same thing with laser interface, not populated on my device. But here I have 5 signal outs, so 4 signals on one clock. So it is the generator section. I do not know if signals 1, 2, 3, 4 are parallel of the same thing, or if they can be configured and generate different things at the same time. I do not know it for now. There is another ground banana jack here and two other banana jacks here for output signal on copper wire, it seems. There is a help key, which is not very useful, it seems. There is an application key. It allows to use built-in test routines, it seems, for a specific accessing, doing specific things. We have a number of preset test procedures. Auto configuration button, memory button, and test configuration button. It is where you access the auto test of a device, for example. The handles on the side here are pretty bad. As you can see, this one is bent. Rack mounting brackets on the side, of course. And I will flip it around and we will have a look at the backside. The backside of a unit. First you have these fits here, very strong. They allow to put the unit on the floor without any danger of damaging the connectors behind. Anyway, they are not sticking out from this plane, but it is quite nice. Here you have the main power input with fuse, mains voltage selection and the main switch. Here you have a small toolbox with a fuse, 2 Allen keys and 2 other tools which are quite weird. I did not find yet what they are for. There is this thing, Maybe it is for the front loosening the ring on the front BNCs. Not sure. Maybe not. Quite well. So there is this thing here. It goes like that. And this, I was thinking it was a card puller, but it doesn't seem the card pull by any way easily, so quite well also. So all the Wandel and Goltermann device has this small tote box on the back, it seems. I have been watching ads on eBay for other devices of the same brand, and they have all the same black box. Here you have a version sticker, calibration sticker from Hewlett-Packard. It was made in 10 September 1998. And more plugs. You have generator plugs with trigger and error plugs. You have the GPIB interface, it seems, IEE 488 with address deep switch. There is a clock here which is not populated. Receiver plugs with event, trigger and error also. Main clock output. Another trigger output. 2 triggers here. Some connectors here for V11 input, RS232 and V11 output. Clock output here and external modulation input here. And it is all on this. Also a little plug here, it seems like a power jack. Maybe for connecting an option for an external printer maybe. Because it seems you can use external printer also. Okay, so on the side here you have an handle, carry handle, and it's all. So in the next video I will try to crack it open and we will have a first look inside. But it is very tedious to take apart and not easy to do. Thanks for watching, bye bye.